Good even axle or swings. The key is just gradually, so you're forcing it much. Just lift it up a little bit. Yeah, just give it a bit of. Find a rhythm, like you're doing a dance, singing a song, playing an instrument.
Where do we begin? How about a magic track? And here we go.
On s'en va aux États-Unis. We're going to the United States. We're almost there. So, on est presque rendu aux lignes à Sault-Sainte-Marie, donc. Here we go, we're crossing to the United States of America. America, yeah! We are near woohoo, Michigan Lake. Wah, 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 wah. Good morning, everyone. Bon matin, tout le monde. First day at Wisconsin. I did the first 16 hours drive straight through. I went to Elijah's house, Badger Exploration. Donc j'ai fait le 16 heures complet de route d'une traite jusqu'à chez Elijah de Badger Exploration. Donc j'ai dormi chez eux. Et là, on s'en va faire des activités. C'est quoi? On va savoir rendu. Ouais! Hey everyone! Welcome back to Joker's Magnet. I'm with... Who's that?
It's me! What's up, guys? Badger Exploration. It's an honor to be here. I can't believe it. I've been watching him almost for well over a year and a half now. And it's going to be our first time ever communicating anniversary, what, on Saturday?
Yeah!
That's crazy. It's been a year, baby.
A year, man. So we're in Mariette, small boat. Where?
So we're in Marinette, Wisconsin, and it may be called Mariette, and it is a French name, but we call it Marinette, Wisconsin. This is on the border between Wisconsin and northern Michigan, the UP. We're going to be fishing on one of the inlet rivers here, the Wisconsin River, and we're actually going to be fishing right by, guys, where the most inlet, most protected location where all the U.S. military actually builds their warships, their battleships. All that is built right down here behind us, guys, in this shipyard, and we're gonna be working our way and we're gonna be magnet fishing this shipyard, baby.
So let's go see everyone at the first toss. Woo! First toss with the Kratos 2.0. On va utiliser le Kratos 2.0. Go! Oh, as a first catch, we got some a small jig. Oh, I've got something here. Oh, just let go. Maybe it was a chain.
First bite? Oh,
yeah.
Chain to the dock. This is a floating dock.
Yeah.
That's the only thing you gotta be careful, guys. Oh no, you got a little lure, second lure.
And a nail.
Nice, dude.
Cool.
Right on, you're fine, man.
Yeah. Another part of a jig and a washer, circle gang. Woohoo! First knife. Elijah! First knife! And it's a good one. Cool. First knife. Yeah. And we've got a small hook and some debris. I think it's a generic knife. There's no brand on it.
Oh wow, dude.
No brand,
Wow, that's
and it's stainless china. So,
yeah, dude. Interesting.
but that's my first big knife.
Dude, nice.
Yeah,
Nice fine. It's in really good shape, bro.
yeah. I'm gonna keep it. Clean it and keep it.
Heck yeah.
So we've got Elijah over there. He's gonna look for to see if that bridge can bring some goodies. Some other fishing gear, a bolt. Some small parts. Hooks. Small hook. Oh,
Hey, we got finds, baby.
yeah. Some old rods. A washer. I think it's a rod.
Oh, nice. Big old pipe.
Oh, it just fell off.
Oh, and you got a chisel, it looks like, dude. Nice tool.
Oh,
man.
yeah, that's a chisel.
Nice
That's for
find,
sure.
bro.
Yeah.
What we got here?
Twisted wire.
Let's see, I bet. Here, you know what?
Let's go get that pipe.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that pipe. Let's see what's down this little box here. Better for the chain link banks. Oh, it's deep right here, you know. Woo!
A 6 feet one.
Nice. Oh,
Some more fines.
oh yeah, something heavy. Oh, nice.
A long one. A corroded one.
Heavy. Big old. That's a big old pipe, guys. Attached to it.
There's something right here,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
Oh,
Oh, I think I know what it is. A stupid structure.
we got some weight now.
Ugh.
What's that? I'm gonna go into it fell. Got some stuff back. Let me find it.
Me, I'm caught. I don't know.
Henry.
Yeah. No, it's really caught on it.
Oh boy.
First adventure. Maybe if you go on that bridge. No, but look, do you see the structure in the water?
Yeah.
I-
Maybe caught the bottom of that.
Yeah. We got a magnet back. We use a lever like the pipe we just got, and it worked.
Good.
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Woohoo.
You might make the dream one, baby.
Yeah.
First little bit of metal with Mr. Joker magnet. What's up, my
Yeah.
man?
And we're gonna toss first.
Heck yeah. Gold today. Find this man some railroad spiky spikes. And I got a...
Here we go. Here we go. We've got a big rock.
Hey! And you got a railroad spike?
Yeah, we got a smoother one. We've got the super cloud junction and that big rock that's gonna keep on the side so we don't catch it again. Hey, we can now build a sword.
Hey, nice! That's a big old bolt, probably from the bridge.
Yeah, super bridge right here.
Or
Nailed it.
put me on a nice spot. I'll make sure to bring you out with me. Put some magnets in.
This one is straight.
Oh, dude, nice one.
This one's straight.
Heck yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
The best part is when you find a straight one, it's a lot less work. You don't have to straighten out before you.
Yeah. Railroad plates.
Yeah, ready?
Woohoo!
Put money in our pockets.
Boing bang. Chicka ching. Oh, I've got a smaller plate. That's a small one. And it's an old one.
Oh, yeah,
With
dude,
that pattern, that's
cool
old.
plate. I love the really, really old ones. I just found my very first 1800s era railroad plate.
Yeah.
That was in good enough condition, and it had the writing on it, so I kept them using it as like a platform, like a podium for displaying.
And I've got a rock between. Oh. Ah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's a train locker.
Oh, cool.
That's a locking mechanism from a boxcar, old train car.
That's cool.
Cool, dude. That's cool find. You're on a killing. You're on a killing today, dude. Between that and knife.
Every time I go to the US, I always find something interesting. Okay, now I want to remove it. Here we go. Another railroad plate. A mini railroad plate again. Yeah, but another mini one.
Oh, nice. Wow, there's good shape. Nice.
Some little piece of junk. What's that? Oh. Zoot! It's like a diamond. Diamond shaped metal. Looks like it came from something because this side is broken. Cool. Oh, I've got the what we were talking about. The washer for wood. And I've got the bolt. Three railroad plates.
Wow.
Kratos power. Ah. Ah. I've got the. I think I've got the bigger one.
You've got the biggest one of the day, my guy. Dang, son.
That's
a huge one. And that's a nice railroad nail, too.
Yeah. Wow.
Those are really nice, especially when forging when they're untwisted like that, because those are great then for starting out as nice, but also because then it doesn't have the memory. So it's not efficient. With Joker's magnet.
Whoop, whoop.
Some awesome railroad paraphernalia. And we just found this amazing thing, which we're going to turn into a big old whacker. Check it out. Got exploration, Joker magnet.
Woo. Okay. We got some metal rod, not rod, but line, a smaller tail nail, and a big railroad nail. Another railroad plate.
Pulling it in, baby.
And this one is like a bit, it's got some,
Darth.
yep.
Dang.
This one was on the surface. Want to try to pull?
Sure. You stuck?
Yeah, I think by going on side.
You are real good at getting stuck, ain't you?
Yeah.
Jeez. Alright.
Let me give you the place.
You're fucking right in the middle.
We'll need to go on top. Is it possible?
I think so, I'm sure.
As I was pulling something and it's blocked.
How do you do that? I've never gotten stuck.
I'm the best at getting caught. What do you want to do?
We're both gonna pull this. Gave a little bit there. There it is. There we go. All right.
Do I look like I have something on it? Yeah, the rock.
Airmail.
What's that?
Nice.
That's a huge rock, man.
That is a big rock.
I almost got screwed, but I got a screw.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, we're working on the nail that he found today. I'm going to show him real quick kind of how I go about it. Get this nail positioned. She's nice glowing red now. Right here. We're going to draw this knife out here. He wants to be able to mount a wood handle on this. We got to get this down to at least a 1/4 inch, which is going to be well, that's going to be a task without a power hammer. Right now we're just getting a feel, see where the twist bends are in the metal.
Look at those power hammers.
Yeah. Oh. I dropped the nail. Ideally, you don't want to be vain.
Yeah.
Drop the nail when you are admiring the gun. But she's starting to cool down now. Now I kind of got a feel for how it's working. Not ready to steel. Let's see here. Heat it up. Try it again. Ooh, it's hot!
Okay. So my first time doing that.
Good even axle or swings. The key is just gradually, so you're forcing it on. Just lift it up a little bit. Yeah, just give it a bit of find a rhythm, like you're doing a dance, singing a song, playing an instrument. And then you gradually bang outward.
Follow me for more instruction about forging.
He's teaching the Badger how to forge today. Right on, man. Now it's official, man. Imposed Joker magic right here. By Joker Magic, I mean Joker Magnetics digital magic that he does so well for me. Hell, this logo is his handiwork.
Yeah.
Dude, you're getting it fast. Yo, shout out to Joker. This is impressive. What he's doing and progressing to in shape-wise took me like 3 weeks of YouTubing and testing out brutally all night long to really get to where you're pretty much at. So.
Yeah, but I saw too much video. But like I said, I watched the
Forge and Fire.
Forge and Fire.
Yes. This man's a student of the arts.
So you listen to the videos and you do what they told you to do.
It works. It works. Well, yeah, that was the last one. Now we need to let it cool, like, yep. It now needs to have at least an hour before it's reheated to the temperature it was. Otherwise, we could risk fucking up that. Alright, sorry about that. But I will say, pretty damn close.
Yeah, we're almost at it.
I mean,
I can grind it.
honestly. Although, we'll see how this feels on. You can try it, or you can do whatever you want.